Hello students, I'm going to discuss the quick solutions of All India Aakash Test Series Medical 2019 of test number 6 code E and F. Your test was held on 24th of February 2019 and I'll be dealing with the botany section. The very first question in the botany section is question number 91. Question number 91. All of the following statements are true for genetic code except. First statement, it is unambiguous. Second, codons and mRNA are read in a non-contiguous fashion. Third, it is nearly universal. Fourth, it is non-overlapping. You have to find out this statement which is not true about the genetic code. See one by one. First is, it is unambiguous. The genetic code is unambiguous. It means a code codes for only a single amino acid. So one genetic code or the codon codes for only a single amino acid. It is not ambiguous. So this is correct statement. Second one, the codons and mRNA are read in a non-contiguous fashion. It is incorrect statement. Why? Because the codons which are present on the mRNA are read in a continuous fashion. There is no punctuation between the codons on an mRNA. Third one, it is nearly universal. Yes, the genetic code is nearly universal. For example, if you see UUU, this is the genetic code which codes for phenylalanine in most of the organisms. So it is nearly universal. Fourth one, it is non-overlapping. This is also a true statement. How? The genetic codon does not overlap the next codon. Hence it is non-overlapping. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move to the next question. Question number 92. Adenosine differs from a nucleotide as it lacks. First option base, second sugar, third N-glycosidic bond, fourth phosphate group. Adenosine is a nucleoside. And how a nucleoside differs from a nucleotide? Nucleoside contains only nitrogenous base and a sugar, but a nucleotide contains a nitrogenous base, sugar and a phosphate group. So nucleoside lacks a phosphate group which is present in the nucleotide. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move to the next question. Question number 93. Select the true statement or statements for AUG. A. It codes for an amino acid methionine. B. It is an initiation codon. C. It is a non-degenerate codon. First option only A, second only A and B, third only B and C, fourth all A, B and C. A genetic codon or a code is AUG. This AUG codes for amino acid methionine. So this is true. It is an initiation codon during the translation. So it is also true. It is a non-degenerate. Methionine is just coded by a single codon, that is AUG. But some amino acids can be coded by more than one codons, but AUG is non-degenerate, so it is also correct. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move to the next question. Question number 94. On one strand of DNA, its discontinuous synthesis is seen because first option, it is more efficient process. Second, DNA polymerase catalyzes polymerization only in one direction, that is 5' to 3'. Third, it is energy independent process. Fourth, DNA molecule is very long to be synthesized in a continuous fashion. During DNA replication, if you remember, there are 2 strands of DNA and these strands are called the template strands. So both of them are template strands, but on one strand there is continuous synthesis of the daughter DNA and this strand is called leading strand, whereas On the another strand, there is synthesis of DNA molecules in the fragments. These fragments are called Okazaki fragments, and this strand is called lagging strand. So what is the reason of synthesizing these DNA molecules in discontinuous fashion? Because the DNA polymerase catalyzes polymerization only in 5' to 3' direction. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. What about the other options? First is, it is much more efficient. No. Third, it is energy dependent process. No. Replication requires energy for DNA polymerization. Fourth, DNA molecule is very long to be synthesized in a continuous fashion. Not at all. So the correct option is option number 2. Let's move to the next question. Question number 95. Identify the correct functions of RNA. A. It carries amino acids to ribosomes. B. It is a constituent of ribosomes. C. It carries genetic information from DNA for synthesis of proteins. D. It plays catalytic role during protein synthesis. First option only A, second only A and C, third only B and D, fourth all A, B, C and D. So you have to identify the correct functions of RNA. It carries amino acids to ribosomes. It is the function of tRNA. B. It's a constituent of ribosomes. rRNA is a constituent of ribosomes. C. It carries genetic information from DNA to mRNA to synthesize proteins, and it is a function of messenger RNA or mRNA. D. It plays catalytic role during protein synthesis. So again, this is rRNA. And more specifically, it is 28 srRNA in eukaryotes and 23 srRNA in prokaryotes. So yes, these all are the functions of RNA. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move to the next question.